Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning the use of lower function in Tableau. So, lower function returns a string below all characters in lowercase. It is widely used function in Tableau. So we'll be beginning with importing NFL Offensive Player Stats 1999-2013 dataset using Microsoft Excel option in Tableau. So we begin with using to 1999 to 2013 data sheet and directly into the sheets area using sheet number 1. We drag player dimension onto rows shelf. We add all the numbers. Now we create a calculated field and we name the calculated field as lower player. We use lower function and player dimension as a string. The calculation is valid. Now we drag lower player dimension onto the rows shelf besides right hand side of the player rows.